Hello, namaste, and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena, and today I will discuss about what are the benefits of cloud computing. When you are going to select the cloud services for you, for your organization, what factors you should consider, and especially take care of one very important aspect of the thing. Is your cloud service provider providing you the enough security to access the cloud? Or at the time of the data when it is over there, you should, whether they are having the enough security features or the services at that location or at that or on their cloud, so that they can provide the full security to your resources or to your data. Okay, and in today's session, let's start all these things. When we just talk about cloud computing, means there are number of things we are looking for. First of all, we need to understand what is the requirement of our company. For that, we are looking for cloud services. Whether we are looking for the infrastructure, okay, whether that's storage, might be we have a lot of data where we need to store on the cloud, so that our stakeholders or the clients can access it from anywhere. Okay, or for the backup of the data, we want to store on the cloud, so that if any disaster will happen, then definitely with the uh, least time period we can recover it. Okay, so if you are just thinking about infrastructure, then you can select for the like rackspace.com, GoGrid, AWS, and there are many more vendors in this. Yeah, and if you are just for the developing uh, kind of company is yours, and they need to get an environment so that you can test your applications, your softwares, okay, and you need environment for that, then definitely we can look for the platform cloud vendors. Clear? And if just you are a normal users, or you want to use the services which require to perform the task on your company, whether that's the email services or the services that are related to analytic, uh, that means you are going to use the applications. So this application cloud, or just we can say service software as a services we can use. So it's depend upon what type of requirement of your company. Clear? And what the benefits that cloud can provide to us, because cloud computing is the collective resources, whether that's the resources at the infrastructure level, platform level, or the at the application layer. Clear? So when we are not much bother to establish the IT infrastructure, and we just want to use all these things as a service, how much we want to use, just we will use it. So uh, how long you need it, just you need to pay for that. If we are going to purchase the devices, and if we after 2 3 years or the few years we note it that's outdated, then those devices or the investment on those devices are useless. Okay? And if we want to expand our business, then definitely we need to purchase more computing power, more resources, more professional to handle all these things. So it is just giving us the flexibility. How much you need, just you will ask for your cloud provider, and you can expand it as per your requirement. Clear? And another benefit is for the disaster recovery, because this cloud is available over the internet. Okay, so if any mishappenings will face by your company, then definitely you can recover it quickly. If you have this database on your company on the cloud, then definitely you can restore it uh, with a list time period. Clear? And the automatic update, it is that's also done by the cloud provider. For example, you are a developer, okay, or just you are the user of a software, and any updates comes for that particular software or for particular platform, then that is the responsibility of the cloud provider. They will automatically update it, so you need not to more uh, worry about those updates as well. Okay, and definitely what you um, use, you need to pay for that, nothing more than that. Clear? And if you are using multiple clouds for different services, clear, uh, so you need to collaborate all these, uh, the services you are using from different cloud providers. It is just also giving the collaboration. Why it's important? For example, in a company, we are uh, we are configuring, we are designing a software that is required other technologies as well, and to establish those cutting as we can say very highly sophisticated technology we need at our location or in our company, it will just cost you a lot. But at collaboration, in the collaboration, you can use those services from the multiple clouds as well, and you can use as per your requirement, and just you can grow in your business. Clear? And the documentation, just document control, for example, for the compliance, if that applicable on the data, or what's the uh, requirement to fulfill the security requirement, then definitely we can ask to the cloud, and if they are responsible for handling all those aspects, then they will provide us. It's whether what's a firewall they need to implement, or the next generation firewalls, or the UTM, or IPS, or the analytics they need to provide, then definitely that's their responsibility, they will provide. Okay. And wonderful thing about it is thus location independent, because just you are going to access it via internet connection, so that's not bound to the location. So our client or our users can have access on the resources which we are just uh, placed on cloud from anywhere. So isn't it so wonderful, so awesome? Cloud computing, definitely it is, and the market is really at very uh, uh, rapidly it's growing. We can, it's just actually it was 199 and 200 billion was in 2019, and it is just expected, just see here, 760 billion of the market in it expected in 2027. So lot of opportunity. Now think for a moment, being a cybersecurity professional, what brings to you in this? Because security is again a very big concept, a very big area where everywhere need to perform the security on their data. And as the cloud is growing, then definitely they also need security professionals. So lot of opportunities are also waiting for you in the security. Okay. Now you need to think how you will go ahead and will grab the opportunity in the field of cybersecurity uh, related to cloud security. Yeah. And follow me on the cybersecurity prism and get the notification for the next interesting and informative session. Also share that session with your friends and group members so that they would be able to understand what are the benefits of cloud computing. And in the next session, I will discuss about how does Kerberos authentic work. So see you in the next session. Namaste.